Goblin is warning you.
Warning me.
Your new book, Oath of the Wolf.
Yes.
Book Goblin loved. First book, Tears of the Wolf, but Book Goblin has eye on you.
Eye on me.
Better not hurt doggies.
The Direhunds?
Yes.
The dogs are fine.
Better not have stupid miscommunication trope with humans either.
Bryn and Sunric don't have those specific issues, no.
Lovers continue to love her.
You could put it that way.
No cliffhanger.
There are open-ended plot points, but there's nothing I would call a cliffhanger, no. Anything else?
Sorry, Book Goblin has just been burned by second book many times.
Well, I can't predict how you will feel about this one, but it doesn't have any of those particular things.
Book Goblin is still watching you.
Good talk.